ACROCrop uses autonomous drones to actively prevent frosts. It also gathers information to improve the efficiency of the crop. Sensors placed in the field forecast frosting conditions, triggering an alarm. Then, an anti-frost flight plan is autonomously generated and executed by the drone. The drone pushes the air from the higher, hotter layers to the ground, increasing temperature. The frost has been avoided. The drone also gathers images, later analyzed to improve the status of the crop. This is achieved automatically by evaluating indexes such as NDVI, evaluating growth rates in 3D models, detecting projected shadows, using the information from on-ground IoT sensors. Using this information, the platform creates visual, user-friendly reports. It also proposes customized actions to improve the quality and efficiency of the crop, contributing to save water, pesticides, and fertilizers.